Salesforce Administrator at Talent Stacker. Today we'll be going over the at-risk object and functionality we have exclusively built in for our CEO Bradley Rice and our project managers. As you can see, currently I am logged in as myself, and as myself I am going to create a new contact. Let's create a plus member record on Snowy. We'll give them plus member record type, give them a sign up date for, let's say, November the 1st. And we're going to come down here, we're going to give them a required field, and we're going to save the contact record. We'll see how this ties into our at-risk functionality. Now, looking at this member record, you can see immediately upon creation, even as myself, the contact ownership has been transferred to Bradley Rice, and this prompt has populated letting us know that this member is at risk. Moreover, the at-risk checkbox is checked, the at-risk date is selected, and a reason is given, which is DIY LinkedIn update not completed within 15 days. All that has been triggered because a sign-up date, which is older than 15 days, has been entered for this record. You can come down here to verify. It's last modified by myself, but the contact owner is now Bradley Rice. This is possible with our flow that we have put in place. It's a record trigger flow. It starts if any one of the conditions given has been triggered, which are the reasons given for at-risk status. Upon any one of these being triggered in a certain order, there's a decision element that decides which path the flow goes down and automatically updates the record to reflect the at-risk, the specific at-risk, appropriate at-risk criteria, and also creates a record while changing the ownership to Bradley Rice. Now going back, let's log in as Bradley Rice. You can see our CEO on our user page. We're going to select login as Bradley Rice to demonstrate this successfully, and I'm going to refresh this page so we can view this as Bradley. So if Bradley logs in on his home page, before we dive into the at-risk tab here, just want to quickly showcase that Bradley also has access to this at-risk dashboard component, which shows him a high-level view of how many members are at risk, and he can choose to dive in here through the dashboard component, or he can hover over it, select this arrow on at-risk for ease of access to recently viewed records or recently created or preferred lists here, which can also be edited. So let's just dive into at-risk, and we'll click all so we can view all records. You can see here multiple at-risk members with multiple various at-risk reasons have been populated, and if Bradley wants, he would be able to select different fields to display as to his liking. For example, if he'd like to see the last modified date on this page, he can also click here, add this to a visible field, and let's say if he'd like to take out the owner alias because it'll be Bradley, so we'll take it out here and hit save. Now you can see changes are in place. He's able to see who this has been last modified by. He's also able to see the date, the at-risk reason, at-risk member, and at-risk record. Clicking on these lookup fields, he's directly able to access the at-risk record. He's not only able to see the details, he's also able to go over to the related list and check out a member's at-risk history in detail. He's also able to upload files as attachments and notes, and he is also able to create a new task and log a call. Now, go back to at-risk. Let's view a different member, Jack Harlow. See, he's also at risk. We're going to create, just to see what happens if we uncheck this box. The box is unchecked by Bradley Rice. This member is no longer on at-risk record. You can see contact owner is Alex, not Bradley anymore, and this member is no longer at risk. And Thank you for viewing. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at TSVP13. We'll be here. Thank you so much.